name India is given to us. It's an English name. This is the technology of dominance. You must see this when they imported slaves from Africa. The first thing they did in the port was to change their name, to call you Kuku, Tobo, Nono, Pupo, something like this. If I call you Padmanabhan, now you stand like this. I call you Kuku, you know. First thing is to give a meaningless name which has no… because a human being is from memory, from history, from culture. A name which has no cultural background, a name which has no significance, a name which does not instill pride in you, that kind of a name I will give you because this is the technology of dominance. In this country, maybe 2, 3, maybe 5% of the people speak English language. But the nation is named in English. It doesn't mean anything to someone who doesn't speak English language, India. Bharat has a power to it. Because there are two aspects to this. When we utter something, there is a sound. Meaning is just psychological, you making up the meaning, isn't it? Yes or no? Right now, I utter something, it's just a sound. If you did not know the language, this is just a sound. Meaning is just made up in your mind. Meaning is secondary. The significance is in the sound. You utter Bharat and see what reverberation it has in you. You say India and see what reverberation it has in you. Say this… take this as your chant for 2 days. One day you just say India, India, India. Another day you say Bharat, Bharat, Bharat. Just see what it does to your system, then you decide. This was done with a very close observation, a deep understanding of the science of sound and form. When I say the science of sound and form, every sound has a form attached to it. If you feed any sound into an oscilloscope, it gives us a particular pattern which is a form. So every sound has a form in it. Every form has a sound in it. So what kind of sounds have the maximum impact on the human system? This we call them as mantras. Bharat is a mantra. Bharatam is even better, but up north they won't accept it, you have to chop it in the end. Bharat is powerful.
Bharatam Mahabharatam Ganga Narmada Punyatirtam Sindhu Saraswati Kaveri Jivana Karana Mula Tattvam Nadirashtrasya Maha Amritam Bharatam